where all the sewage and wastewater goes to be treated in Spokane?
I should know this. I'm not really sure exactly though. We're in Spokane.
I think there's a water sewage place in Spokane. No.
The Spokane treatment plant down by Bowl and Pitcher.
Is it? There's like a place like near Bowl.
Spokane's wastewater is treated at the Riverside Park Water Reclamation Facility and the Spokane County Regional Water Reclamation Facility. Where do you think the treated water gets discharged?
I guess I don't know. Probably in the river.
I think it just gets recycled back into like rivers and stuff. I've heard rumors a lot of it is discharged in the Spokane River, but I hope that's not true.
Into the Spokane River.
I don't know, I guess the river.
The treated water gets discharged into the Spokane River. Can you guess how many gallons are treated daily?
Thousands.
Do they have rules for that? Oh my gosh. Let's say 500,000.
400,000.
I don't know. 10 million.
The Riverside facility treats an average of 35 to 40 million gallons a day. The county facility treats an average of 7 to 8 million gallons a day, for a total of almost 50 million gallons of wastewater being treated daily.
Have you ever heard of the term sludge?
I think.
Yes. No, I haven't.
Yes.
No.
What do you think sludge is?
I'm guessing contaminants or something that isn't purified.
When I think of sludge, I think of like brown, black gunk, like runoff. I think slimy.
Dirty water and mud.
It sounds like it's like a toxic waste that is very thick and is made of feces, maybe?
Sludge is the residue, solid, semi-solid, or liquid, that is separated from the water during the wastewater treatment processes. It is made up of all the waste that enters the sewage system.
What do you think the first step is when wastewater enters a treatment plant?
I don't know. It's like purification.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
I would say probably filtering out all the big garbage that is in the water or the large waste.
You separate the physical parts off first, like bulk.
The first step would be to filter all the large particles.
The first step involves screening to remove the larger object. On average, how many steps do you think it takes to treat wastewater before it can be discharged?
Maybe like 7, 10.
On average, probably 4 or 5.
5. That's what I was going to say.
On average, it takes 7 steps before the treated water can be released.
Out of bacteria, viruses, and protozoa, what are the largest and what are the smallest?
Viruses are the smallest.
Okay, what do you think are the biggest?
Protozoa.
Smallest virus, then bacteria, then protozoa.
I have absolutely no idea. Let's say bacteria is the largest.
Hello.
Then viruses, then protozoa.
I too have no idea, but I'm gonna guess bacteria are the largest and protozoa are the smallest.
From biggest to smallest, protozoa, bacteria, viruses. Can you give an example of a virus, bacteria, or protozoa?
Ebola virus.
Yeah, E. coli.
No.
Pass.
Ebola is a virus and E. coli is a bacteria. An example of a protozoa could be Giardia or malaria. What do you think happens when these are present in your water?
You get sick.
Well, there are certainly good and bad bacteria, so if they're bad bacteria, then it causes sickness. So like cholera is a waterborne pathogen that causes a lot of sickness.
You get sick.
You get sick.
Diseases are more likely to occur. Humans and animals may contract them.
There is a type of membrane bioreactor that filters small particles, like pathogens and coliform, out of the water by using the many small hollow tubes with very small pore openings. How large do you think the pore opening is?
10 nanometers. It's alright.
I bet it's less 0.1 millimeters.
Oh.
Infinitesimally small.
Yeah, a nanometer. I have no idea.
1,000th of a millimeter.
And I hope they're less than a millimeter, nanometer.
The pore openings are 0.04 micrometers. How long do you think the membrane bioreactors last?
4 days.
They last about 2-3 months.
3 months.
I want to say a year.
2 years.
They last for approximately 5 to 10 years. How often do the tubes need to be cleaned or flushed out?
2 days.
They have to be cleaned every 5 days.
Every 2 weeks.
Daily?
Daily.
The tubes need to be cleaned about every hour.
Hi, we're the Not Quite Seniors.
Thanks for watching our special segment of What You Think You Know.